1, 2, 3.
Hey, what's up guys? Thank you for tuning in. It's another episode of Been There series. We were heading to Cibecue Waterfall. From Phoenix, it's about 130 miles drive on Highway Arizona 60. There's a rest area at the San Carlos Apache Indian Reservation. From there, it's about 4.6 miles drive on a primitive road to trailhead. Few things you need to know about the waterfall. I must say it's a great place to camp and hike for the weekend getaway. It is located at White Mountain Apache Indian Reservation. You would need access permits to hike it. I would recommend 4-wheel drive if you want to park at the Cibecue Creek trailhead, but a regular car can do it and you must have to park before the creek. Hiking from the trailhead to the waterfall, it's 3 miles one way with an unmarked but mostly visible trail. You would cross the creek a few times and navigate through the boulders. So I would recommend wearing waterproof rain boot, shoe cover as you will get wet. Now, I have to remind you though, this is a 3 miles hike in, 3 miles hike out. So make sure you hike during the daylight or bring flashlight. You will never get lost though, you just have to follow the creek. But seeing where you're going, it makes a lot easier to navigate through the creek. And remember, swimming is not allowed on this waterfall. Please always pick up after yourselves and treat this place with respect.
Guys, more boulders.